Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, life can get excited. Between work, family, and those ever-growing to-do lists, who has time for scrubbing floors and spending hours in the kitchen? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gadgets. These little lifesavers are here to make your life easier, faster, and maybe even a little more fun. We'll be exploring some of the coolest, most innovative gadgets on the market and putting them to the test. So, before we get started, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single detail. Let's get started. Today's first product is Butcherol Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. This fabric shaver is your one-stop solution for restoring garments and fabrics to their former glory, which easily bring your clothes back to life. Easily banish lint, fluff, fuzz balls, and baubles from sweaters, jerseys, blankets, bed sheets, and upholstery. It even offers multiple shaving heights, speeds, and hole sizes to customize the job for different fabrics and fuzz types. Sharp, durable blades ensure long-lasting performance, with 2 extra blades included for replacements. An adjustable height spacer protects delicate fabrics from snags, while a safety lock prevents accidental use when open. Also, the powerful motor quickly removes fuss without damaging clothes. The large collection container lets you shave multiple garments before emptying. Powered by 2 batteries, this fabric shaver offers complete cordless freedom, making it perfect for tackling fuss on furniture or large areas. In short, this fabric shaver is a lifesaver for keeping your clothes and fabrics looking their best. Our next product is Touchless Vacuum Cleaner. If you are tired of bending over with a dustpan and chasing after little piles of dirt, then the Touchless Vacuum Cleaner can be your new best friend for effortless cleaning. This innovative vacuum boasts a powerful 1000-watt motor that claims to remove 100% of dust, hair, and debris instantly. No more waiting for a bulky vacuum to boot up. The touchless vacuum is always on and ready, thanks to its built-in infrared sensors. These clever sensors detect your sweeping motion and automatically activate the vacuum, making cleaning a breeze. Pet hair, kitty litter, crumbs, no problem. The touchless vacuum tackles it all. Also, it comes equipped with 2 high-efficiency filters that not only trap dust and dirt, but also release clean air back into your home. Here's what truly sets this vacuum apart. It eliminates the need for a dustpan altogether. Simply sweep dirt towards the touchless vacuum, and its powerful suction will take care of the rest. Overall, the touchless vacuum is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and effective way to keep their floors clean. Our next product is Electric Clothes Steamer. This steamer is feather light, weighing, making it easy to use for long periods without tiring your arms. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch, delivering over 10 minutes of continuous steaming. This steamer uses less water to achieve great results, minimizing moisture on your clothes. No more wrestling with complicated controls. This steamer heats up in a mere 15 seconds and has just 1 button for steaming, perfect for those who prefer a fuss-free approach. This versatile steamer works at any angle. It even comes with a dual-use hanging iron and flat iron attachment, allowing you to tackle wrinkles on a variety of garments, from delicate fabrics to thick coats. The rotating head provides optimal steaming from various positions. The electric steamer delivers powerful steam without leaving a trace of moisture, keeping your clothes looking crisp and fresh. Whether you're a busy professional on the go or a fashion enthusiast who cares for their clothes, the electric clothes steamer is a great choice. It combines sleek design, user-friendly features, and powerful steaming capabilities to make wrinkle removal a breeze. Electric S'more Maker is our next product. This indoor appliance is all about convenience and safety. It features a flameless heater that gets toasty hot without the need for firewood or matches. Simply plug it in and you're ready to roast. The included stainless steel forks keep your hands a safe distance from the heat while you roast your marshmallows to gooey perfection. Plus, the built-in 4-compartment trays make it easy to organize your graham crackers, chocolate and marshmallows, keeping everything within reach for you and your s'mores crew. Cleaning up after your s'mores fest is a breeze. The durable base wipes clean easily, and the trays disassemble for a quick wash in the sink. Overall, the electric S'mores Maker is a great way to enjoy this classic treat year-round, rain or shine. It's perfect for family game nights, birthday parties, or cozy nights in, all without the mess and fuss of a traditional campfire. Next product name is Electric Fondue Kit. It features a user-friendly electric base with a removable 10-ounce melting bowl. Simply add your chocolate and turn it on. The pot heats up, ensuring perfectly melted chocolate. Once melted, switch to the warm setting and you're ready to dip. The included 3-section detachable tray keeps your favorite dipping treats organized and easily accessible. Whether you prefer strawberries, pretzels, marshmallows, or something more adventurous, the possibilities are endless. The detachable bowl and serving tray make cleaning up a breeze. Simply hand wash them with warm, soapy water. While this kit is perfect for chocolate fondue, it can also be used for cheese fondue. Just pre-melt your cheese on the stovetop and transfer it to the pot to keep it warm and melty for dipping. The fondue kit is more than just a dessert. Gather your loved ones, turn on the pot, and enjoy the fun of dipping and sharing delicious treats together.